Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start in YouTube Studio. Sign in with the channel that owns the stream. Once signed in, go straight to Live or Live Control Room to view active or archived chat. You're looking for the Super Chat transaction in the chat history or transactions list. Make sure to filter by date or search the donor name if many entries exist. This gets you to the specific message you will act on. Now pause to confirm the exact amount and timestamp before proceeding. Once you've selected the Super Chat entry, open the Action menu, often 3 dots or a More button, and choose Refund. You'll see the dollar amount. Confirm it matches the complaint or issue, and enter a concise reason when asked. After you confirm, YouTube or Google processes the refund. Make sure to tell the requester what you did. Expect the refund to appear in the donor's original payment method in about 3-5 business days, and record the transaction ID for your records. After confirming the refund, check transactions to verify status and save the receipt or transaction ID. If the refund option is missing, you will need to contact YouTube support or use the Creator Help chat, explain the message ID, and provide proof. If the donor reports no refund after about 5 business days, escalate with the payment provider, giving them the transaction ID and refund confirmation. Keep calm, follow up with timestamps, and make sure both parties get a clear update on next steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.